Hi guys! Today we'll show you how to check your primary location on Facebook. First, unlock your phone and open the Facebook app. Once Facebook is open, tap on your profile icon. After opening your profile, tap on the menu at the top left side. Select Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Scroll through the settings and tap on Meta Account Center to open your account information. Different options will appear. Tap on your information to access information related to your Facebook account. Tap on Access Your Information to view the information and activity associated with your account. Tap on Activity Log and scroll through the available options. Find Log Information, tap on it, and then select Location. Tap on Manage Location to view the available location information. And that's how you can check your primary location information on Facebook. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe to Solution Lab and comment if you want more Facebook tutorials.